We are going to have a colossal shrimp mukbang. I went to Sam's Club and found these huge colossal shrimp. And I tell you what, I was planning on making some alfredo with chicken today, but listen to that. And my nails are not done because I just got back from Hawaii yesterday, and I don't go get my nails done anyway. Wrong place for that. Wrong person to follow. If you're into, expecting to see your person you're following do that, because I love to hear that crackle on there. Because I do not. I rather book flights and have experiences where I go. Ooh, so thick. Nice and clean too. I don't like for my shrimp to still have little remnants. They have to be really divined because So I seasoned this with, and I did make a video of me throwing it in the pan. I made 4 of them because they're so big. The rest are for tomorrow to be barbecued. But this is seasoned with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and this Casero seasoning that I found. And I just started seeing this last year, and I bought all 12 that the store had because I was scared they're going to sell out. And normally I don't do that because I hate when people buy up everything and don't leave for anybody else. But I don't want to take a chance because they are amazing. This is really good. Soaking up with that butter I made. So I melted butter in the pan while I was cooking. So this is very flavorful. This alfredo here is not homemade. This is rotisserie chicken from Sam's Club. And the sauce is Bertello, but I do melt down my own butter, add parmesan cheese, fresh garlic. So, I mean, I doctor it up. I'm not just pouring the sauce into the pan. And I would have made shrimp alfredo because they had $5 off the blue packages. So that's the jumbo and colossal shrimp. But my son is allergic to shrimp. So, well, let me rephrase that. He's allergic to the shrimp in the shell for some reason. Because he'll eat the hell out some coconut shrimp. Like, yeah. He can go like 3-4 rounds with coconut shrimp, which is odd. So, I don't know. We're still figuring that one out. Just this tail area is the size of a regular shrimp. Garlic bread's done. Will you grab me a piece of garlic bread, please? A dark one. Piece of shell. I do cook my shrimp firm because that's how I like them. Air fryer garlic bread shrimp. Ooh. I said garlic bread shrimp. Air fryer garlic bread. The shrimp was so good I forgot to bring it out beforehand. Do you like your bread soft or crunchy? I gotta have crunch on there. If I'm going to eat soft toasted bread, I might as well not even toast it. That's just my opinion. Mm. Mm. I did add a little bit of Italian seasoning in this as well. This is not normally how I eat my Alfredo, because I do use Alfredo noodles. But today, this is what we had. So this is what I made. I'm not going to try and be all fancy. And, you know, you have to make do with what you have. So I had spaghetti noodles and Alfredo stuff. And that's what I made. And you could do the same thing too. Remember, make it your own. Enjoy your day. You'll never get it back.